Welcome back, folks. In this video, I am going to walk you through Google's new video tool. It's called Omni. That's the name of the model. I'm using Google's interface called vids.new to access the video tool. The link to vids.new is in the description of this video. When you first open it up and you just log in with your normal Google account, you will be presented with this particular screen. And these are the templates that you can use. So in this example, I'm going to not use any templates. So I'm going to close this dialog box. I'll come to a blank canvas. On the top right hand side, I'm going to click on VEO. And now I've got a couple of options here. And there's obviously some limits that Google has imposed. So I'm going to just close that. And here you can see it says start from scratch. Now I'm actually going to start with an avatar. I've already created an image of my character using ChatGPT. You can use Nano Banana, you can use ChatGPT or any of your image generation tools that you like. Okay, so instead of create from scratch, I'm going to open this drop down. I'm going to say animate an image. So this now opens up my a new dialog box, and I'm going to click on add image, which will allow me to select an image from my computer. And you just select it from your computer. There's the image. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to just give it some instructions. I'm just going to say this is a voiceover. And that's all I want to do with this particular character. I just want this character to speak out a quote. Now, the one thing you've got to be careful here is that the limit per video is 8 seconds. Or it might be 5 seconds. I think it depends on your account with the Google. So you can't have this quote too long. And you also shouldn't have it too short, because then it ums and ahs and fills in the space. So I'm going to grab some text that I have, and I think this might be too long, but then I might just have to adjust it. So just start with your basic text that you want. This definitely looks like it's too long, but you just got to try and become familiar with how it works, and then you'll essentially be able to very quickly identify what's too long, what's too short. So I put in my text that I want this to use as a voiceover on this character, and I'm just going to actually, what I'm going to do also is I'm going to select portrait, because I want to upload this to Instagram. So it's a 9:16 video that it will produce. My image is also 9:16. Okay, so you can determine the best dimension of your image for the video that you want to create, and just tell ChatGPT or Nano Banana, whatever you're using to create your character. I'm going to click on generate now, and it doesn't take long. Google's new video tool is actually surprisingly incredibly quick. Within 10, 15, maybe 30 seconds, I will have this clip. I am concerned that there's too many words here, so we'll see what this comes out to be, and then I might have to adjust. It's as easy as that. So just waiting here for this to produce a video, and then we'll take a look. Okay, so you can see down the bottom there, the video has generated. It's 8 seconds long. Now you start with a timeline down the bottom. So I'm just going to click on you can preview the video. So if I put my mouse on the video, it'll start playing. Hopefully you can hear it.
Your words are a steering wheel for your life, and you may have
Okay, so you may have heard that, you may not have. Just depends on the sound coming into the mic. I'm going to click on insert, and that brings the video to my timeline. So there it is there. So now let me play it again, and all I need to do is hit on play.
Your words are a steering wheel for your life, and you may have a destination in your heart, but if your words are turning left while your dreams are going straight ahead, you'll never get there.
Now, that was really good, but you can see right at the end, it did not complete the sentence, you'll never get there. So that could be because there's too many words here, or that could just be a slight glitch in this generation. So I'm going to click on generate once more, just to see if it's able to correct that ending. If it's not, then I might just cut some of this out and then create a new clip, and then I'll just have to use a video editor to kind of merge the two clips together. But that's it. That's how easy this is. Absolutely amazing tool. It generates high quality videos, very accurate lip sync and high quality sound. Now all I need to do is download using the share button here on the top right. So I can click on this and just download as MP4, and I'll have my complete video in 9:16 dimensions to upload straight to Instagram or the YouTube short. You can also obviously add your own logo here, where Google's got its own VEO logo, or upgrade. I think the logo disappears when you upgrade. Let's also now just check.
Your words are a steering wheel for your life, and you may have a destination in your heart, but if your words are turning left while your dreams are going straight ahead, you'll never get there.
Yeah, that's perfect. So that version's perfect. So I'm going to delete this version, and I just click on delete. Going to add back a new section in my video. I'm going to go back on VEO. I'm going to insert. And now let's look at the final version, and then I can download this and use it. Click on play.
Your words are a steering wheel for your life, and you may have a destination in your heart, but if your words are turning left while your dreams are going straight ahead, you'll never get there.
Perfect, absolutely perfect. So quick, high quality. The image is perfect, the animation is perfect, and that's the exact image that I created using my own image creation tool. So go and check it out. The link to the tool vids.new. Uses the new Google VEO 3.1 model. It's called Omni in the back end, and check it out and try it. Hope the video is useful. I look forward to talking with you in the next video.